Welcome to ZenInbox. Managing your emails efficiently is crucial for productivity. ZenInbox provides powerful bulk selection options to help you take control of your inbox with ease. Bulk selection allows you to manage multiple emails at once, saving you time and effort. Navigate to your inbox. Click the checkbox at the top left of the email list. A drop-down will appear with multiple selection options. Available bulk selection options. All selects all emails in the current view. None clears all selections. Read selects only the emails that have been read. Unread selects only unread emails, making it easier to prioritize responses. Starred selects emails that you've marked as important. Unstarred selects all emails that do not have a star. Once you have selected emails, you can perform actions like archiving, marking as read, unread, deleting, or assigning labels. Expand and collapse. Inbox views. ZenInbox provides an intuitive way to manage your email folders efficiently. Collapsing and expanding sidebar. Click the collapse icon at the bottom of the left sidebar to minimize the navigation panel, giving you more screen space for emails. Click it again to expand and bring back the navigation menu. Collapsing the sidebar helps maintain focus, while expanding provides easy access to all your folders. Why use bulk actions and collapse features? Save time. Quickly perform actions on multiple emails at once. Stay organized. Keep your inbox clean by sorting through emails efficiently. Improve focus. Collapse unnecessary sections when not needed. ZenInbox makes managing your inbox easier than ever. Get the most out of your email workflow with bulk selection and smart navigation tools.